Hello, and today we're going to work on creating a calendar using the Focus and Pick software. Go ahead and click Create New Project after you've opened up the software. And the second one down is an 11 by 8.5 spiral bound flip calendar. Now if you're not seeing this, you might not have all of the products downloaded. And you'll just have to go down here and click Check for Updates, which will go to our website and bring down any other products that are not currently on your computer. Once you've done that, you can come back and go ahead and click on the 11 by 8.5 spiral bound flip calendar, which is what we're going to work on today. Click Next. We'll give it a name. This is going to be Warren's Calendar. Click Create. And the first thing it's going to do is open up the software, and it's going to ask you to locate your pictures that you want to use in the software. So how we do that is we click this plus button right up here, and we navigate to the folder where your pictures are. I have mine in this folder called Photos for PhotoBook. Even though I'm creating a calendar, it was another project I was working on, but I'm going to use the same pictures. And your first page is your cover page. It says right down here your front cover. And this first section of items is a good thing to read through. It just has some helpful hints. I'm going to delete it for now because we're going to be covering several of those items during this tutorial. You can choose to use this one, or you can pick another one. Like down below here in page styles, you can see other front covers. Like this would be a nice front cover. There's several different ones to choose from. And let's just scroll over a little bit further, and I think I'm going to use this one right here. And so we'll just bring that one up, and for my picture I am going to do a waterfall. I really like water gardening, and so several of my pictures are of water gardens and of nature. So now we've got the cover done. It's as simple as that. We are going to go over onto the calendar. This is January. Now you can pick out, different pictures that would represent the month, or whichever one you're going to want to look at during January. So sometimes you might want a nice warm picture of, and I'm going to use this waterfall because I love waterfalls, and I love thinking of summer when it's cold. I'm from Minnesota, so it's a little bit chilly here in the winter. And now you've got your month for January done. Now, there are lots of different backgrounds, so don't feel like you have to use the ones that just come up. You can pick one, and you can be as creative as you want. I mean, it's simply just dragging a background, and there you have it. There are quite a few available. It's really a matter of your choice, which just brings the designer out of you. So it's as simple as doing that. Now, I'm going to keep with the standard one here just because it's already done. The next step that you might want to do is add some birthdays. Now let's say your birthday is on January 10th. Simply double click in the text box, My Birthday. You can do your name, you can do it however you like. Go ahead and highlight the text. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Fix that real quick before I forget and then have a spelling error on my calendar. You could choose any font that you have installed on your system. It's not limited to any specific small amount of fonts, which is nice. And we're gonna choose this one for now, and you can change the size if you want. It's completely up to you. What's nice about this program is it is completely customizable. And if you want something that'll stand out a little bit more just to make sure people remember that it's your birthday, it's as simple as doing that. Once you have that formatted, if you're going to use, put in several people's birthdays along the way, just to remember that formatting, what I find is easy is I will do a Command C, which copies it, and then I can paste it, and it'll already be formatted. It just sticks it up in the left-hand corner. And then if it's someone else's birthday, you can stick it on a different day and change the name of whoever. Maybe it's your birthday now instead of my birthday. And now you've customized your calendar with birthdays. And you can go throughout the whole thing and just make sure that when you give this calendar to someone, if you put everyone's birthdays on it, make sure that their birthday's on it too, so they feel special. And that's just another thing that you can add to your Focus and Picks calendar.